evening, everybody, and today we are making some chocolate cornflake cupcakes. So here is the chocolate. It's nearly melted now, and what I've also got. So here are the ingredients. So it only takes 3 ingredients. So 3 times of these chocolate Easter eggs, 2 times of these mini eggs, and a box of cornflakes. Right, let me add the cornflakes in right now. So I'm just going to do a few handfuls of cornflakes. There you go. And then I'll probably say 1 more. Right, that will do. There they look. Right, let me give it a quick mix. Does that rhyme or not? I would use a spatula or some sort of spoon to do it. The spatula is nearly melted, so maybe don't use a spatula. Maybe just use just maybe not anything plastic. I'm going to put a little bit more cornflakes in actually. And a tiny bit more, and I'll give it another stir. This is how you make these ultimate cakes. Guys, hot chocolate melted. You can even do it in the microwave or a saucepan, but I would do it in the saucepan just to make it a bit easier serving the dishes. I'm going to add another handful of cornflakes, and then that will probably be the process. You've got to be consistent with this, otherwise it could all go wrong. Wow, it's hot. Smoky. I'm actually going to turn the heat off because that is enough. Just getting all those cornflakes, not dissolved, but certainly absolutely covered in chocolate. Get it all off the edges. I would say 3 eggs would be enough. Certainly. Here we go then. 1 more handful? I would say 1 more handful. And then that will be me done. And then I will show you how to dish and portion up. I would say 15 to 20 minutes in the fridge when you've put them in the cupcake. Not the oven, fridge. Don't put them in the oven, it will be a nightmare. So just do fridge, much better. Be careful with the bowl of water as well, you don't want to go frying, so don't mix too hard, but certainly give it a good mix. That is enough. Just use a spoon to get it, which certainly the spoon won't be over with yet. There we go. Pass that over there a moment. Hopefully that's good. Right. Let's spoon this in then. Move it over here for a little bit, and let's bring it in closer. Now we're going to spoon this in the cupcake, so I'm going to move the camera over here so all you can see. I'm going to as well. Right, here we go. Here are the cupcakes. Take the bowl out, and I'll just do it like this. So the bowl is quite hot, so I'm going to get a napkin. Right, here we go. Let's spoon these in. Probably will need a good 2 or 3 spoonfuls. Probably get a tea towel for the bowl because it can be quite hot. bit more in this one. You get another spoon actually, because it might be a bit hard to come off otherwise. Just need a teaspoon for that. I would say that's that cake done. I'll just put that in there for the moment, or not. Put it in there. Right, let's go. Right, let's do the next one. The bowl isn't that hot anymore. I don't know how many this will fit. You'll find out the servings. We're on number 3. So spoon this off the spoon. Get that in. I would say that's that one done. I think that's 3 done. Right, let's get number 4 ready. Probably need another spoonful on this one. That was a weak spoonful. The spoonfuls are just going to get worse and worse, really, as it goes on. Oh, whoopsie daisies. I would say like that bit might be able to come on. That is enough for that one. That's 4 done. I would say we've gone through about half the batch, so we certainly won't be able to get 12 done. My target is 8. This probably would take about 2 to 3 portions per egg. So there we go. So if you're watching at home, it will probably take about 8. 3 eggs would be 8 cup holders. So here is number 6. Might be able to get number 9, I doubt it. A little bit more, just a little bit. That one's quite a big one actually. Number 7, in it goes. Hope you guys can see. Don't think you can see this one going, but put a little bit of that in as well. Perfect. Done, done, done. One more. Oh, I think we can do one more. This might make 9, you know. I would say 3 would make 9, so yeah, I would say I'll be able to make 9. So I can scoop up the remainders. I'll put a tiny bit more in number 8. And then I would say I can make 9 or 10. Let's try and let's make one more from scraps. Always need to, you can't go to waste just making another one. They're not big, they're just small little handy cakes to take to work or something or whatever. You need them. Yeah. They are very handy, these cakes, to make. Can I make us? I've made a start on the small 9th. It's not going to look appetising, the 9th one, but try and make at least 8. A good 8. So 3 dairy milk eggs. And then 2 packets. Don't have to be big packets, just mini packets of mini eggs. I'm just going to spoon. I am going to spoon it. I'm not going to make another one. I'm just going to spoon it all. What one isn't good enough? I'll put it in this one. See the technique I'm doing? Put a little bit in this one. And then number 9. Might need a little bit more. Right, that is enough there. Right, here they are looking. Now it's time for some mini eggs to come to the table. Here we are, the Goddess Lucky Charms. They're nice. Not 3. I'll start with 2 on each one, but I'm hoping to do 3 on each one. One down, 8 to go. I like these packets because it's always so good to have a nibble on one of them. I'll certainly try to I think I'll be able to do 3 on each, certainly. Oh, 3 on some, it might be. I don't think this packet will be finished. Yeah, I'll be able to do 3 on each. I'll manage. Well, I ate one as well. Right. That's one down. One, 2. I'm going to move this back so you can see all of them. That's better. 1, 2. 1, 2. So there's 4 remaining. How am I going to work 4 remaining out of? I'll just eat them. Right, I've had to do 2 each. Not what I like, but that's it. Looking good. Try and do 3 packets of mini eggs. Trial and error on YouTube. So there we go. 3 ingredients: chocolate cornflake cakes. Cheers. I'm not going to eat it now. So freeze it for 20 minutes. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye. Oh, I'm trying to press the off button with the mini egg.